Well, I have the new trigger mounted and it's working to a degree. It's bouncing a little bit. My sensor device that it's targeting is a little iffy. You can hear it bouncing on one or two tries, and I try to tune that in and out without much success. I've had a crystal clear chuff, and then it comes back scratchy, so I'm guessing that's going to be noise in this early prototype breadboard. Okay, so my other option is to bite the bullet and build a new production board. The one I had two here, but it seems like I thought I had multiples working, but maybe not. I thought this one was working, it seems not. And I thought this one was working, it seems not. So I may try to, well, it's 5:30 now. She's after me already. But, okay, so we have the chuff trigger, and as you can see, it's bouncing. The green light is bouncing on one of those pulls. And right there, it sounds pretty respectable. It's a clear, it's not a muddled sound. I mean, the trigger itself is not muddled. It's quite on and off. That's it, boys. And it doesn't really go to a steady on. Well, it does about 10 volts, but that's no load, right? But it seems like it's going to be pretty responsive as far as giving us a good signal. So I'm in a dilemma here. I want to do everything at once and I can't, okay? I've converted to a battery. Andy's finally beaten me into submission. We're going to put in a battery. I have the charger, and we eliminate this PC board. He thinks this is causing the noise. I have the same noise with this or with that. I don't get it, but okay. This is a suspect board. It's a poorly assembled. It's one of my very first ones. It's an all breadboard. There's no custom board there. So I'm going to go to one of my more production boards and put a new chip on it and see what happens with that. And then I'm going to work on tuning the sound bites themselves and maybe the timing and such other stuff. I tried to do a test of the fan motor, and I couldn't get the fan motor to show me anything. No power signal, no I'm turned on or not, and I'm a little nervous about that. But again, using this board to test is risky because it's not a real good assembly. So I'm going to build a good board, test it, and then come back at this tomorrow. But we got the new trigger, which I was getting all kinds of grief about. Okay, fine. I put it in. Didn't take all day. I've been working all day on other things, but it's one small step for next generation S. Let me tell you, it's every day's a small step. All right, I'll get back to you tomorrow. Maybe we'll have a more better stuff to say. I'm sure I'm going to get reamed into cleaning up around here. Okay, here she comes now. I'm off. The CFO is on her way. Cheese it.